Bury me a G. Tell me, how can I survive? Remember me? Life is a G's, money making activities. It's killing me, I'm trying to ball, but...
What's up, guys? Today we're checking out Naughty by Nature, Everything Is Gonna Be Alright official music video. Now, my boy, Texas Country Boy, just reacted to this song like three something weeks ago, and he did the official video. I haven't checked it out, but I'm definitely going to if this song is popping like that, like I think it's gonna be after this reaction, because you guys told me this song was amazing. It's incredible, one of their best songs, so I'm gonna check it out. Hopefully I can get away with uploading the original music video as because he did, but you know what I'm saying, let's see. We'll see. Let's go though.
This is a story about the drifter who waited for the worst cause the best lived cross town, who never planned on having, so did. Why me, Look, some get a little and some get none, some catch a bad one and some leave the job half done. I was one who never had and always mad, never knew my dad, motherfuck the fag. Well, anyway, I did pick up, flipped and clipped up, seemingly stick-ups, cause niggas had to trigger hiccups. I couldn't get a job, nappy hair was not allowed. My mother couldn't afford us all, she had to throw me out. I walked the strip, with just a clip, who wanna hit? They got them quick, I had to eat this money, stood and spit. I threw in braids, I wasn't paid enough. I kept them long cause I couldn't afford a haircut. I got laughed at, I got chumped, I got dissed. I got upset, I got a check in a banana clip. Was down the throat, I led to any deal and tack can. I still have been broke, so a lot of good and would have did or done. If not for bad luck, I would have none. Why did I have to live a life for such a bad one? Why when I was a kid and played, I was a sad one, and always wanted to live like this or that one.
Wow, bruh. I did not know Treach had this in him, like, at all, bruh. Holy crap, bruh. I just seen a whole different side to Treach that I never knew existed.
Living in the slums with bombs, that's in our watch. Do I have to be like this? Mama said I'm priceless, so why am I worthless? Starving is just what being nice kid. Sometimes I wish
wow, starving is just what being nice kid. Wow.
I ain't have jack, but a black hat and knapsack. Wore scars, stolen cars, and a blackjack. Drop that, and now you want me to rap and give? Say something positive, well positive in where I live. I live right around the corner from West Hell, 2 blocks from South shit, and once in a jail cell. The sun never shine on my side of the street, see? And only once or twice a week I would speak. I walked alone, my state of mind was home sweet home. I couldn't keep a girl, they wanted kiss because of chrome. Some life, if you ain't where gold, your style was old. And you got more juice and dope for every bottle sold. Hell no, I say there's gotta be a better way. But hey, never gamble in a game that you can play. I'm flown and flown and going and on and not now. How will I do it? How will I make it? I won't, that's how.
Wow. Bruh, this is already a powerful song, bruh. Wow, this is crazy. Stole it.
My 3rd year to adulthood is still a knucklehead. I'm better off dead, that's what my neighbor said. I don't do that for fighting, lighting up the street at night, playing hide and seek with a machete, sex with Freddy's wife. So say I'm rolling on, I'm nothing but a dog.
Freddy's wife.
I answer that with a fuck you and a bow wow. Cause I done been through more shit within the last week than a fly blowing a doodle on the concrete. I've been a deadbeat, dead to the world and dead wrong. Since I was born, that's my life. Oh, you don't know the song? So don't say jack, and please don't say you understand. All that man talk can walk, damn. If you ain't living, you couldn't feel it, so kill it, skill it. And all I talk about it won't help it out, now will it? In ill town, good luck, I stuck up, dropped, got shot. Don't worry, got hit by a flurry and his plug has dropped. But I'm the one who has been labeled as an outcast. They teach in schools, I'm the misfit dollar outlast. But that's cool with the bull, smack 'em backwards. That's what you get for fucking with a ghetto bastard. If you ain't never been to the ghetto, don't ever come to the ghetto. Cause you wouldn't understand the ghetto. Stay the fuck out of the ghetto.
Wow.
Why me? Why me?
Bro, that was definitely by far the best Naughty by Nature song I've heard like ever. Treach, I didn't know Treach had it in him, but apparently he does. So yeah, Naughty by Nature is definitely going up on my list of my favorite rap groups of all time. Even though that list is very small, it's definitely going up on it. Man, Treach absolutely killed that song for real, for real. Like he just like the story he portrayed in it was amazing and incredibly detailed. I didn't know Treach was that, great of a lyricist and even more detailed like rapper like that. But apparently he is, and this was an amazing song. So if you guys want to see me react to more Naughty by Nature, more of anybody else, all you gotta do is let me know in the comments. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next Naughty by Nature video or whatever video. Peace out.